Welcome back to the channel. My name is Six Sense and today we are going to make a hard trap beat from scratch under just 5 minutes. And when I say hard, I mean just watch it. But make sure you hit that like, subscribe and bell notification button and leave a comment after watching this video. So let's go. I started with these two one-shot samples from Cymatics free one-shot sample pack. I used the second perk sample just to give it some transient. And then I just opened the piano roll and made this groove. Pro tip, always use metronome while making grooves or melodies. I know you guys are thinking that how the hell this one shot just changing the pitch without moving any MIDI note up or down in the piano roll. So here's the secret. Just go to your piano roll and see there is this drop down menu where you can select different parameters and change them for every individual MIDI note. Let me reset them all and show you how it sounds without any pitch down effect. So let's undo that and listen it. Yeah. Cool. And I did the same pitch down effect with the same method for this sound also. They both sound something like this together. Not noticeable, but it affects the sound. And then I just rendered it out and put some fruity distortion on it and pitched it down 12 semitones. And now, that's how it sounds. Then I just copied it over again, made it unique, reset the pitch knob. And did it once more. And pitched it up 12 semitones. And that's it for the melodic section. And now just added this hard kick. This hard 808. This tight hi-hat. And this hard snare. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.